Perfect. Yeah, baby!
What's up, guys? Still living that quarantine life, are we? I'm Russ Dunn. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, like, leave a comment. We're going to the Maldives today. But first, I want to talk about this quarantine life that we've been living. It's bittersweet. I'm able to get editing done. I'm able to catch up on all these travel vlogs, all these places I've been. I get to cut them together and share them with the world. So I definitely appreciate that. I don't appreciate the fact that I can't get a haircut. Of course, they won't let you in certain places without a mask. This is more of a fashion statement because it's got my name on it. But anyway, let's jump into the Maldives. So this is the first time I've flown over Dubai since I was in the Marines, and it looks crazy. It didn't look like that before. It looks beautiful. You saw Palm Island up in the corner right there, and then we got to the Maldives Islands, you know, when the day broke. Just seeing the Maldives Islands from a distance was so beautiful. So on the first day, we land, and you got to take a boat, of course, from the airport. Now there's like so many islands out there. So we take a boat to our particular island, which is Bandos. From my resort to the airport was probably about a 30-minute boat ride. First impressions, it was beautiful. Beautiful island. You can tell my drone work is still amateur because I had just gotten the drone at this time. And I just pretty much drone the whole island every day. It gets to be a little redundant, but I tried and was thinking of different angles and different ways to shoot the island. So right when I got there, I just put everything down and hit the beach. So I put the GoPros on. I had two GoPros, one on my chest, one on my head, and just jumped in the water to see if I could see anything. Swam around a little bit. Saw a couple of fish. Nothing too exciting. I guess because where I was diving wasn't really, I had to go to the other side of the island, I later found out. So I was tired, I hit the sheets. So day two, as you can see, I'm droning everywhere. And it was probably like, I don't know, I'd say sunrise. Just right after sunrise, I'm droning the whole island. And then I decided to jump in the water. The weather was perfect. I mean, not humid, just so perfect. Yachts out there, sunset was beautiful. That was pretty much an easy day. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it was an easy day. I just pretty much went in the water, relaxed a little bit, and passed out early. At day three, I'm up at daybreak, still droning the island. I decided to go to the pool and caught a couple of people with the GoPro.
To see what it looks like.
Swimming. And here's me putting both GoPros on. I had the GoPro on my chest and of course the GoPro on my head just to cover as much footage as I could. And then I just walk in the water. It was, the temperature was perfect. So I go in the water, and this time I go in a different part, and I see a lot more fish, especially around the coral. So schools of fish, taking off the GoPro, seeing if I could get a better angle. I kind of got tired. I was just on a crazy sleep schedule. I was exhausted, so I ended up walking because that's how far I was from my bungalow. So that's where it was right there, and that's home for the week. So day four. This is pretty much the front of my bungalow. I'm walking out and I'm gonna meet the crew and we're supposed to go snorkeling all together. We were all supposed to go snorkeling together, but we all just did our own thing. We all just went our own separate ways. And I later found out that there was a shark that swam right next to me, a tiger shark who had bit somebody later on that day. Because I was looking for the shark. I heard there was a shark out there. I went looking for him. I'm all in the fish's grill looking for Nemo, trying to find Nemo. And these fish are probably annoyed because I was like so close, just so close in their face. But the shark swam right next to my shoulder head, and I didn't see. I'm looking to my right. He's on my left, and my friend ended up grabbing me and was like, "Hey, the shark." I mean, of course, I couldn't understand her underwater, but she's like, "The shark was right next to you," and I was like, "Oh man, I missed it." I tried to find it. I couldn't find it, but there's a cliff part right there. Right there, there's a cliff part. And down there is where a hammerhead was supposed to be, and a turtle, and all kinds of stuff. But I had the snorkel. I had the snorkel gear on, and had the scuba diving gear, so I couldn't go too deep. I just pretty much hung out with the fish. So, and I was pretty much done with the island at this point. This is the 4th day. I was pretty much done. I wanted to get out of the Maldives. It was great. I mean, 4 days. We had like, I think, another 2 days more to go. I was like, let's shoot to Sri Lanka. Shot back to the Maldives. You cannot bring alcohol to the Maldives. That's a little bit of advice. You cannot bring alcohol. If you have alcohol in your bag, they're gonna take it, or you can get arrested if they catch you with it. I hope you enjoyed watching my trip to the Maldives. It was a very, very enlightening experience. I would definitely go back. Thanks for watching. Here's my Instagram. Follow me, Oh So Cliche, Tatted Passport on Instagram, or you could just subscribe to this channel on YouTube. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.